This is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you an example of assembling a car. Obviously, your guys is going to be different than this, but a lot of these strategies will be the same. So you want to start a new assembly, and then you want to place most of your parts into here. So if this place button doesn't come up, you just hit this down arrow, and then there'll be the place button. So I want to go through, make sure you're on your H drive and you find your folder. This is why you stay organized. Notice I did not stay organized, so it's not good. Make sure you bring in your parts. You don't have to bring them all in at once. It does make it faster. And some of these you'll need to bring more copies of too. So, well, why don't I start with, I may want to put my wheels on here first. And you just left click, right click, OK when you got the right amount. Now on the constraint for the wheels, I want to do not that one. I want to do insert. Touch the circles that go up next to each other. So this goes up against the body of the car. I wouldn't want this number up against it because it caused more friction and it would hit every time. And then I'm going to offset it. I don't remember how much I offset it by. Let's just say 0.1. See what that does. Ooh, it's a little too much. 0.05. Sure, that'll work. And then same thing with this wheel. 0.05. This wheel. I'm just doing a little bit of offset to show that this will be able to roll freely. Okay, then I'll put the axles through here. Touch the circle at the end, touch it what you want to go against. Went the wrong way, so do that. And notice my axle's a little short. So I could go back and fix that, or I could do an offset. Oh, wrong way. Where they're both kind of in a little bit. Up to you. I would probably want to go fix that, to be honest. And how you could fix that is you can use the ruler under tools to find how far off it is. So click here, click there, and it'll tell you 0.06. So you can do a right click, open, and then just, well, I'll show you. Edit feature, and I'd add 0.06 to it. Oh, so I already did a bunch of this stuff. And then it should be okay. Make sure you save. Okay, I wasted a bunch of time on that, but okay. You want to put the other axle in. I'm going to pause and not show that since I just showed one of them. Notice I made a mistake with the pulley here. I never put it on. It's actually good I made this mistake because some of you guys don't know how to go back and fix things. So show relationships, and then I'm going to right click and delete that off of there, move it out of the way. And what should go up against there is, maybe use the insert, is the pulley should go up against there. Okay, so next, maybe my solar panel mount, and make sure you always have to have 3 constraints. So I'm going to mate this down to here. It went the wrong way around, so then I'm going to use the flush tool. Flush means put on the same plane, so put this on the same plane as the front bar. And then notice I need one more. I did 2, now I need a third one. I'm going to make this edge flush that edge. Okay. I don't know if I need to show you. Oh, you want to put your motor into place too. Mine, I need to do that. Use your mate to put this down onto your chassis. Apply. Then I don't remember if I was able to find a way to pull this and put it in the right spot. And we'll come back and put a bolt through there. And then the motor pulley. I'm going to do an insert. And once again, I need to do a flip on it. And it's not lined up at all. Wrong way. Still off by quite a bit. That's better, but just realize you need quite a bit. You need to glue this on. So really, that's pretty good because this wheel's actually going to be a little closer than 0.05. Oh, plus notice what else I did here. This is off. I'm going to come back and add a bolt later. So it does line up after all. And that's something I'll look for when I check your guys's. Okay. You probably don't have a back part here to hold up the solar panel. Wrong way around. So I'm not sure I really need to show this to you, but just realize you may not have this part. It's not really needed. Okay. I also forgot to bring in the solar panel. So you can always go back here and bring in things. Right click OK. 3 constraints. So I'm going to mate it down to the mount. I'm going to make this edge. We'll see if I can grab this edge. Doesn't look like I can. So you actually want to use a mate. Make sure you grab the edge and you grab the edge only, not the face, the edge. But that did not work at all. Let's try that again. Let's see, nobody's perfect at this, and this program sometimes does things differently. No, that's what I did before, and I had no problem. Maybe what I should do first is mate this side up against. Notice it keeps doing the inverse of what I want it to do. All right, next video I'll address this. I'll come back. Sorry about that.